Hi, this is Ann with Graphic Design How To, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dashed line or a dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm here in Adobe Illustrator and I'm just going to start a new file. Doesn't really matter, but I usually do print, letter, and then create. First, I'm going to make my line, so I'll hit N to get to my pencil tool, and I'm just going to draw a line like this. And if you double click your pencil tool and you have it set to smooth, yours should look similar to mine. Okay, I'm going to increase the weight. We'll put it at about 10. And then first, I'll show you the dashed line. If you don't have your stroke panel up, you'll want to pull that up now. It's under Window, Stroke right here. And here's where we can make a dashed line. So I'll just click this and it should automatically put in a 12-point dash. And it looks like it also has just a default 12-point gap. So if you want the gap to be smaller, you can go under 12 points. I'm going to put it at 2. And here's what we get. You can also have every other dash be a different length. So I'm going to put this one at 6. And we'll put the gap at 4. So you can really kind of play around with this. I'll try with my dash at 15, my gap at 22, and I'm going to get rid of these two. So this is what it'll look like in this case. But most of the time I want kind of a longer dash and less of a gap. Maybe something like this. Okay, so that's how you make a dashed line. Next I'll hit N to get back to my pencil tool, and I'm just going to draw a squiggly line here. And I'm going to hit E on my keyboard to get to my free transform. Just click on this and hold Shift to kind of make it a little straighter across. It doesn't really matter. Now for the dotted line. To make a dotted line, the first step you'll need to do is to round your cap and your corner. Then put your dash at 0, and then you can adjust your gap however you want. I'm going to put it here at 16. So that's the trick, the rounded cap and corner and the 0-point dash. And then whatever I draw, that will be applied to it. Now if you want bigger dots or smaller dots, you control that by your stroke weight. So you can increase the weight and they'll get bigger. Of course, you'll have to increase your gap to add space between. I'll undo to get it back to what it was. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle with my M tool, rectangle tool. And you'll notice that the points, they don't look really great. This one comes all the way out to the point, and this one has 2 points that don't really, it just doesn't look quite right. To fix that, select your rectangle and then choose this option, which will align your dashes to the corners and the path ends, and it will adjust everything else to fit. So if I click this, now I have a perfect corner all the way around. I'll also try the same with another rectangle. I'll hit I to get on my eyedropper tool, and then I'm just going to select this dashed line up here, and we're running into the same problem here. So I'll select it. I'm going to switch to the second option, and that looks so much better. And that's it. It's that easy to make a dashed line and a dotted line in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it and you want to see more videos like this, just hit the subscribe button and the little bell next to it. You'll be notified every time a new video comes out. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you!